We got this sneaker coming in. What are you doing, little girl? Huh? Come here. Come here. Hey, come here. Come say hi. What's up, little girl? How you doing? You can't stand that I'm out here working in the garage without you, huh? You had to open that garage door and come out. Junkyard dog. There she is. Watch him, Liz. Intruder. Get him. Watch him. As you can tell, she's quite vicious.
Aren't all pit bulls?
Yeah, it's them pit bulls for you. They're so angry and vicious all the time. Yeah. Such rotten animals. Here we are. We got the frame together, fixed the core support. Obviously, before we put it together, we got a lot of cleanup and painting stuff, so we're going to take this back to the original Buick red that the engine was instead of the corporate blue. So we have a lot of stuff taken off of this thing so we can paint it right now. It's gonna be rough to get to.
Paint smells so good.
Dude, it smells way different than normal paint. That's what we're using. We got it off the internet. It's supposed to be factory for this Buick engine.
I don't know, it smells like cherries or something.
Yeah, it smells sweet like candy. And it lays out really nice. Like the can's almost upside down and it's still spraying.
Usually it starts flattening out, wouldn't it?
Yeah. It definitely ain't gonna let you hang out that long like that.
Oh, freaking Hemi. Arizona heat coming back in at the max.
Full effect, dude. Woo! Hot.
You having to deal with 115 degrees.
$120 in the shop when it acts like an oven.
And what, 140 in a car? 200 degrees
Yeah.
after it's sitting.
Don't leave your pets and kids in cars, people.
Gonna have to break the window open to get you out.
And then send your ass to jail for being a retard. Are we allowed to say retard on YouTube?
I don't know.
I don't think so. I don't think any of that last statement was allowed.
Probably inappropriate nowadays.
Oh, dude. So hard to get to. Oh, I just painted the throttle cable. Arizona sucks.
How many motors have you painted?
In total?
Yeah.
I don't know, probably like 8 or something like that.
Jeez. They've all been blue? Corporate, like a blue, corporate blue kinda, or no?
Either corporate blue, Chevy orange, or black.
Oh shit.
It's the first red one. Buick red.
Butterfingers.
Set that right there. Oh. Takes a lot of coats on cast iron too, because it'll just actually suck the paint in.
I don't know what.
Like that whole front side was one can because it just sucked the paint in, kept sucking the paint in, and then it started coming out real nice and smooth like that stuff, you know.
We doing the valve covers red too, or
Yeah. We're just gonna do those separate.
just pull those off and
Because I got
everything?
new gaskets for those. We'll just pop those right off and do those by themselves. There's gonna be plenty of red boogers going around tonight. Really should wear a mask, but you know. I'm kind of an old-fashioned type of person, I guess.
Hook it up, 3M. Right? I think they sell masks.
Yeah, I need to start getting more equipment for my paint game. Especially if we're going to actually start painting actual cars pretty soon.
Yeah.
I'm going to send that truck over to Bill's house and turn him loose with some equipment and paint and get that thing all painted so we can
What year's that?
sell it. It's a 73 3/4 ton 4x4 Chevy.
Orange one over here. Well, orange tailgate, I should say. More videos on that later. Damn, even spraying upside down, that's crazy.
I know. It gives me a little bit of squirt upside down. It's way sweet. Gives me about 4 or 5 squirts.
And
that's still pretty much considered upside down.
Oh, it's coming out really good.
Oh, it's gonna look so good. Get this engine all painted, then we'll black out that frame like we're supposed to.